At Lantz'rs Construction, what we build may vary, but one thing remains constant. There is always a story. Just down the road from our home base, Lantz'rs is steadily working on the extensive renovation of Broadway High School, home of the Fighting Gobblers.
The construction will have a great impact on the students' overall school experience. Not only will we have a new girls' team room and a new weight room, but this new two-story addition will house various classrooms, science labs, and a new broadcast studio in which we are using pieces of WHSV's former set.
And the first phase, which is now completed, included significant improvements to our athletic department. We've received great feedback on these enhancements so far.
Many Team Lantz'rs are proud alums, and many have children who attend the school. It feels great to be doing a project that Lantz'rs will get to experience the impact it will have on the students as well as the Broadway community overall. Join us again soon for Building Our Communities, presented by Lantz'rs Construction.